Nando Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Welcome to Where in Pampanga. For today's video, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Casa Esmeralda, located sa may Cabetican, Bacolor, Pampanga. By far, this is one of my top staycations dito po sa Pampanga. You gotta visit this. If you wanna know more, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! This is Casa Elise. Ito yung magiging staycation natin for tonight. I'm really excited and I'm happy. Today is the day before my birthday. So what a great gift. Thank you so much, Casa Esmeralda. So this is a quick house tour. We're gonna be showing you 3 casas. But yung casa na kung saan kami mag-stay tonight is called Casa Elise. Ayan, so this is the living room, of course, with my family. Hi, Mom! Ito yung living room area natin. We have our entertainment system. Well ventilated. Medyo high ceiling tayo. And then, pinaka-theme color, white, brown, green, a little bit of black. And then, dito sa gitna, meron tayong billiard. And then, you can actually convert it into other games pa. Pwede mo siyang palitan. I wanna go straight to the master's bedroom. This is the first room. So, here is the bed. Ang laki niya, ang taas. Napaka-cozy, and at the same time, very modern and native, no? Kasi gamit nila dito are wood. You can actually smell yung parang nature pa dito. And then, look at this comfort room. Sobrang laki niya, guys. This room is the entire comfort room. Shower enclosure. And then, ito yung mga his and her na wash area. No need to quarrel, guys. You have your space. Hi, baby! Oh, flower. So that was the master's bedroom, the first room dito sa Casa Elise. We're going to the next room, room number 2, and still big. However, this has 2 beds, good for couple. So this can accommodate up until 4. Again, really spacious. Ang luwang. Dito pa rin tayo sa first level. I wanna tour you now dun sa dining area natin / kitchen. So this is the dining area indoor, guys. Take note, indoor. So meron tayo ditong huge table, good up until 8. Beside it is the kitchen. So again, this is the indoor kitchen, wash area. You can actually cook here. Meron tayong microwave oven, rice cooker, complete with, you know, kitchenwares. Ito, oh yeah, kompleto, guys, pati yung mga kaldero. This is the first level. We're gonna go back now dito sa living area. Going upstairs, this is another room. Ito yung parang pinaka-shared common bedrooms. Meron tayong 3 double decks. Good for single, yung isang bed. So this can accommodate 2 for 6. This is the second floor. Let's go downstairs. So for the last and one of the most important amenity ng isang staycation is of course the swimming pool. Ang ganda ng swimming pool area nila, guys. Even the pool itself is actually very inviting. Quality of the water, I think it's really good, no? Napakalinis. An outdoor dining din, meron din tayong mga tables and chairs dito. For me, one of the best staycation you're gonna have here in Pampanga. I can attest you guys, 100% guarantee. Alright, so ayun guys, ito naman ang Casa Esme. This is the biggest among the 3. It can accommodate up until 25 persons. Look at the interior. Sobrang spacious, di ba? Ang laki na nito. So this is the living room area. Meron tayong entertainment system doon. This open space is for your receiving area. Una tayo dito sa mga beds dito. So ito yung master's bedroom natin. Similar to our bedroom dun sa Casa Elise. I think it's very similar. Whoa! So meron tayong bathtub. And then shower enclosure, vanity mirror. May oras pa. Yan, the toilet. So meron din tayong his and hers, wash area. That's the first bedroom of 4, no? 4 yung rooms dito. So the second room is here. Ayan, so meron tayong 2 bed. Good for 4. And then meron tayong shared CR, ito yun, comfort room. And then ito naman is another room fit for 6 people. So another room dito. And this is the third. Eto yon. So meron naman tayo dito dalawang double decker. So the first level is good for 2, and then second level naman natin is fit for 1. So this is up until 6. So going to the pool area, you have 2 access. First one is at the dining area, and then the second one is dito sa pinaka living room. Sige sir. So this is the pool area. Wow, look at that pool, ang laki. Size, comparing it Casa Elise, this is twice siguro, mas malaki. Outdoor dining natin, it can accommodate, grabe, more than 20. Nandito yung ating billiards table. But the pool area, again, this is really huge. Meron din tayong jacuzzi doon, ayun o. Ito naman yung Casa Eli na tinatawag nila. This is the third one. I'm gonna be giving you a quick tour. This is the hallway. Kanan naman natin is the swimming pool area. And then moving forward is, actually staircase siya pero parang communal na rin, no? Moving forward is our billiards table. Meron tayo ditong indoor dining area, which is this one. Good for 8. And then dito guys, meron tayong center table. And yung pinaka wash area natin for the kitchen. Still, ito yung parang pinaka entertainment space natin. First room, this is for the seniors. Meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. Now going upstairs to the second level, napakaluwang na hagdan nila guys. And then this is the first room. Ayun, ang ganda. Now meron na rin siyang sarili niyang toilet and bath, which is this one. Another family area. Meron din tayong sariling or common, ayan, toilet and bath dito. So that's the first room. Entering another hallway is the second and third room dito sa second level. Dalawang double-decker bed. And then dito naman, tatlong double-decker bed. And good for 6 naman siya. So those were the rooms. Ang ganda. What I like about Casa Esmeralda is the space. So let's go out naman para tignan yung kanilang swimming pool area. Coming out to the pool area, you actually have multiple access, but yung access natin is coming from the kitchen. And ito yun, bubuksan ko lang to. In terms of the size, this is at a medium size. Facing that side, the outdoor dining area, great for breakfast or even late dinner. Yan, pwede dito. And now dito sa labas din, we have a sink, and our barbecue area is right here. Each villa can accommodate different number of packs or capacity. Of course, different po yung mga prices nila. We're gonna be posting. Ito po yung prices nila. What I like about this place or tong resort na to is the space. Hindi to yung katulad ng mga ibang staycation na they really maximize everything, no? Almost every space has a villa, but this one, mga owners po natin dito, they really thought about the space, the serenity, the peace, the calmness, the open area. Yun talaga yung pinaka-inisip nila. They also have a man-made lake. Eto guys, it's just a small lake, a pond. They probably considered parang ganon. And then meron tayong malit na gazebo over there. So that's about it. We really enjoyed our stay dito. As a matter of fact, dito ko celebrate yung 40th birthday ko. So thanks so much Casa Esmeralda. Thanks so much guys for watching this video. If you like it, if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Make sure to check out Casa Esmeralda dito po sa Bacolor, Pampanga. It's a must. That's what I can say. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out guys. Bye.